Understanding head count. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase in English, head count. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in sentences. At its most basic level, a head count refers to the act of counting people. Imagine you are in charge of a group, and you want to ensure that everyone is present. You would count each person, or head, to get the total number. Hence, the term head count. The phrase head count is often used in professional and casual settings. Let's go over a few examples. 1. Business. In companies, head count can refer to the number of employees. For instance, a manager might say, "We need to increase our head count this quarter," meaning they want to hire more employees. 2. Events. If you're hosting a party or a gathering, you might ask for a head count to know how many guests are coming. This helps in making preparations like arranging seats or ordering food. 3. Emergencies. In situations where safety is a concern, like after a fire drill or during a field trip, a teacher or leader might do a head count to ensure everyone is safe and accounted for. While head count seems straightforward, there can be some misconceptions. It's important to note that 1. Head count is about numbers, not specific names or details. For example, a head count might tell you there are 20 people, but it won't tell you their names or other details. 2. It doesn't always refer to a complete count. Sometimes, it's an estimate. If someone asks for a rough head count, they are looking for an approximate number, not the exact total. And that's a wrap on head count. It's a simple yet versatile phrase that you'll come across in various contexts. Whether you're in a business meeting, at a party, or ensuring safety, now you'll know precisely what it means. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, and we encourage you to use it confidently in your conversations. Happy learning!